It's not always convenient to go to the gym. There are days when it's hard just to work up the motivation to get out of the house, and heading to the gym takes extra time out of your busy day. Sometimes there's a wait for popular exercise machines, and classes can be overcrowded. If you need childcare, you may have to budget for that additional expense. It's easy to see why having your own home gym has its perks. From innovative technology to classic heavy-duty power racks for weightlifting, the world of home gyms offer a vast range of options for every fitness level, from beginners to pros. You can spend countless hours trying to figure out which systems and equipment features might be the best for your needs. But we'll help you save time and narrow down your list with these top picks for the best home gyms. As always, you can check for pricing on any of these products in the description below. And if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So, let's go ahead and get started. Coming in at number 6, we have the Marcy 150-pound multifunctional home gym station. Marcy's multifunctional home gym station comes with high and low pulleys, a leg developer, a removable preacher curl pad, and a dual-function chest press to provide a complete home workout. With a 150-pound weight stack that includes a locking mechanism for safety, this machine is one of our top picks for the beginner and intermediate exercisers. This steel machine offers 30 different exercise options that you can check at a glance, thanks to the built-in chart on the front of the weight stack. Plus, we like that you can change the weight easily just by moving a pin, and that ankle strap attachment makes lower body days simple. Marcy's home gym also has a 300-pound weight capacity and is compact enough to fit comfortably in many homes or garages. Number 5. The Total Gym Apex G3. The Total Gym is a cable-based piece of equipment that allows you to cycle through 8 levels of resistance training with low impact to your joints. The Apex G3 features a padded, ergonomic glide board that allows you to use your body weight as a means of getting stronger, thereby eliminating complex systems. Easily work your way through these dynamic exercises for your upper and lower body and choose from more than 70 different moves in all. This setup includes a slew of accessories, such as a wing attachment, squat stand, leg pull accessory, and dip bars. You'll also get access to Total Gym TV, an on-demand platform that lets you stream workouts. When you're done working out, the whole thing folds away to save valuable space. This is a great option if you're self-motivated and familiar with proper form and preferred workouts, because this design doesn't feature any extras like workout subscriptions or online training options. What you see is what you get. Number 4. The Marcy Multifunction Steel Home Gym. If a gym-quality exercise machine at home is what you seek, then look no further than the Marcy Multifunction Steel Home Gym. This machine's heavy-duty 2.5-inch steel frame is built to last. It has a multifunction arm press, a dual-function leg developer, and rowing capability for a great aerobic alternative to weights. It also includes a total weight resistance of 200 pounds, so you'll be able to push every part of your body to the limit. The removable and adjustable arm curl option also makes it easy to modify your workout to your specific body type. The Marcy Multifunction is a great all-around machine for any experience level. Number 3. The Boflex PR1000 Home Gym. Boflex has been a trusted name in home gym equipment for decades. Its patented power rod system allows for a great strength training workout without the need for the cumbersome weighted plates that make home gyms inconvenient to assemble and move. A great all-around machine for almost any level of workout, the Boflex PR1000 has over 25 available exercises, including a convertible rolling seat for rowing. It folds vertically to fit in the corner of the room when not in use, has an integrated smartphone mount, and delivers 200 pounds of weight resistance. This machine is all about convenience, making it a wonderful all-around option for the average at-home gym rat. Number 2. Marcy Smith Total Body Training Home Gym System. If you're more serious about your workout than the average home fitness aficionado, then this machine is probably for you. It doesn't pretend to be anything it's not. This is a professional-grade home gym with solid, all-steel construction and linear bearing. There are no tension rods or thin cables on this monster. It's designed to push your body to the limit so it can reach its full potential. The Marcy Smith Total Body Training Home Gym System includes multifunctional press arms, a dual-function leg developer, an Olympic free weight rack, and a design that combines stations for arms and legs so you can use a single machine for every muscle group. If you invest in this machine, you may never need one for the rest of your life. And coming in at number 1, MIM USA Commercial Hercules 1001 Jumbo Trainer. The overall value of the MIM USA Commercial Hercules 1001 Jumbo Trainer makes it our top pick. It offers more than 50 different strength training exercises and has a resistance range of 5 to 210 pounds, with the option to upgrade to 310 pounds using additional parts. We also like that it uses a power rod resistance system in addition to traditional cables and pulleys that allows for quick transitions from move to move. Padded rollers make leg extensions a breeze, while multi-purpose hand grips and ankle cuffs add both function and safety. Shop confidently with the help of MIM USA's warranties, up to 1 year for the frame, 2 months for most parts, and 7 years for the power rods. Although it's relatively compact compared to similar home gyms, the Hercules 1001 Jumbo Trainer doesn't impact its durability since it's equipped with a heavy-duty steel frame construction that's built to last. It's sleek and easy to use, and we like it for beginner and intermediate exercisers alike. And that wraps up our guide to the top home gyms this year. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your fitness journey or a seasoned pro looking to upgrade your home workout space, there's something for everyone on this list. Remember, investing in a home gym is about convenience, personalization, and comfort. Choose the one that best fits your fitness goals and space requirements. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and any exclusive discount codes I've managed to snag for you. Your fitness journey is unique, and having the right equipment can make all of the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. We love bringing you the latest in fitness and health, and your support means that we can keep doing what we do best. Have questions or want to share some home gym experiences? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay strong, stay motivated, and remember, your best workout is just one choice away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.